labeled it, I thought we were gonna be closer.
Yeah. Oh, perfect timing. All right, New York, New York. Got my Starbucks, got my Vegas shirt. Give you your basics. This is actually a pretty cool setup. It's really spacious. And they have wall curtains, so it makes you feel like you have windows over there, but we don't. Here is TV. It's behind door number 1. Closet. Plenty of space. Ironing board. This nice little column. Little desk area. Vanity. There's Rebecca hiding behind. There's the pool. Roller coaster.
Ready?
Alright guys, this room is actually, those weren't wall curtains, that's actual windows, and Rebecca's gonna demonstrate for us. Yo, this is so cool. Excalibur, there's a stadium. Wow, so we really do have a corner room.
You ready? What the hell? There's 2 wands on this side.
Oh, cool. Wow. So they faked us out. So when you first come in the door, there literally is a window, mirror, the bed, and it's all corners, guys. Windows for days. Windows for days.
Look at that mountain view.
Look at the mountains. I hear the roller coaster coming, yay! That's so fun. They totally saw that being out the window. And there's the other side of the pool. So they give you 2 pillows. And again, they have the hardwood, which is like that. Kind of thin sheets. There's mirror. Another mirror. I like these columns. Oh, you can't go around that column.
No, that's a closet.
But I can go around this column. Whee! And there's another mirror. And another mirror. Got the hairdryer vanity, full-length mirror. So I found the safe, it's on the side of the boudoir.